Welcome student. After unit test, we are now going further with this lesson number 4, that is the freedom struggle of 1857. In 1857, a great struggle took place in India, which completely shook the British government. This struggle did not arise all of sudden. Earlier, as well, many struggles took place in India against the British. The scope of struggle in 1857 and its background was taken into considerations by V.D. Savarkar in his book The Indian War of Independence 1857. Later, many revolutionaries got inspirations from it to fight against the British. So, here is the struggle or fighting against British rule in India took place in 1857 in that particular year, but the preparation for that war was nearly about 10 to 12 years back. So V.D. Savarkar considered that is the first war of independence, Indian independence in 1857. So many British puppets considered 1857 as a Sepoys mutiny. Okay, but it was not a Sepoys mutiny. It was a first war of independence because whole peoples take a part in that war struggle before 1857 at every. So let us look the preparations, how this struggle start, the preparation of this struggle start. Okay, this is the point. The photo of the Maharashtrian leader, that is Umaji Naik, who started the first war of independence, that is 1857 first, not Mangal Pandey. Okay, this is the person who started that war of independence, Umaji Naik, Narveer Umaji Naik. Okay, at every place where the British rule was established in India, the local people had to bear ill effect. Okay, so everywhere the British ruled very ruthlessly. So there is oppositions created in the Indians due to their behavior with Indians. Okay. So there are many small leaders who started this war, the preparation. So it leads by the revolt taken a place under the leadership of Narveer Umaji Naik of the farmers and the common people. Okay. So let us look. The farmers and the common people became the bankrupt during the company rule in 1770. There was a major famine in Bengal province, but British rulers were indifferent and insensitive towards Indian people. From 1763 to 1857, the peasants of Bengal participated in the rebellion led by sannyasi and fakirs. Similar revolt took place in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, South India. Narveer Umaji Naik also gave a strong fight. He organized a Ramashis, one sect of Maharashtrians, the local youth, to revolt against the British. They drew declarations and appealed to fight against the British and overthrow the government. They inspired people in Pune, Satara, Nagar, Solapur, Nasik, Bhor, etc. In 1832, So after the end of Maratha rule at 1888, there was some peoples or leaders who continue fighting against Britishers. But Umaji Naik was arrested and hanged to death in Pune. The Indian tribes and the forest communities also challenged the British rule. Their livelihood was dependent on the forest resources. The British law put restrictions on it. Consequently, Bihar Kolam area of Chota Nagpur, Gonds of Orissa, Santhal of Bihar fought against British. The Gadkaris from Kolhapur and Kond Sawan from Konkan also challenged Britishers. Before 1857, some zamindar and royal class from the different territories rebelled against Britishers. So here in these lessons we are going to start and study about the freedom struggle which took place in 1857. Okay.